Hi everyone, I'm Ishita Tripathi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. To those of you who are coming here for the very first time, welcome aboard. And to those of you who are coming back again, thank you so much guys, girls and everyone for being here again. And you are watching How to Not Become an Actor, where I talk about all the mistakes that I have made in my acting career. And this is episode number 8. But before I actually get into the episode and talk in detail about how to not become an actor, I want to give my personal opinion on episode number 7. After failing in multiple auditions, I think multiple would be an understatement, so let's not go there. But failing in auditions quite sometimes, not some, no, it doesn't feel right. Failing in auditions has taught me that it's okay yaar, it's fine. If we crack it, फिर तो party दो यार, फिर तो you got the job. And if you don't get it, if you don't get a call back, it's okay. Because now at least you have a bank to choose from कि क्या करना है और क्या नहीं करना है. And वो बहुत बड़ी चीज़ होती है. When you're beginning, वो experience, वो सारे failures, तो उनको बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे लगता है कि दिल पे नहीं ले लेना चाहिए. उनसे सीखने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए. अभी मैं बोल रही हूँ obviously, it's always easier said than done. But it's also about that personal choice, that do we want to stay stuck in that failure or do we want to rise and learn something from it and do better the next time. So I try to do the latter one now. Also, I don't really personalize my work with the kind of professional relationships that I've built over the years with the people that I work with, because they are two very different things. अगर मेरा सिलेक्शन किसी प्रोजेक्ट में नहीं हुआ है तो इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि उनको मुझसे कोई दुश्मनी है. इसका बस यही मतलब है कि उनका विजन अलग है और मेरा विजन अलग है. और ये मैं सब खुद को दिलासा देने के लिए नहीं बोल रही हूँ. मैं इसलिए बोल रही हूँ बिकॉज एक क्रिएटिव प्रोजेक्ट में अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर इन्वेस्टिंग इन. And if the vision, which is the baseline, which is the foundation of all of it, if that doesn't align, then how will they build it further? अगर आप बिजनेस कर रहे होते एंड आपका विजन किसी और की विजन से अलाइन नहीं हो रहा होता तो क्या आप उनके साथ पार्टनरशिप करते? यू गॉट योर आंसर. सो या, ऑडिशन, हैव फन इन ऑडिशंस. इफ यू गेट देम, इफ यू डोंट गेट देम, डोंट लूज योर हार्ट. बहुत सारी चीज़ें और बहुत सारे अच्छे अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आपके लिए हैं आगे. सो जस्ट कीप लर्निंग, कीप मूविंग फॉरवर्ड. एंड मूविंग फॉरवर्ड से याद आया, इफ यू आर स्टिल कॉन्टेम्पलेटिंग कि मैं ये क्या क्यों बोल रही हूँ, यू probably not watched episode number 7 of the series. Go back, watch that, and to the rest of you, come, let's watch episode number 8 of How to Not Become an Actor. In today's episode of How to Not Become an Actor, do not update your profile. And when I say profile, your profile includes your photos, a message that includes your show reel, your audition links, your social handles, some basic details about you, formal education that you have gained through acting schools or workshops or theatre, all of that. Do not update that. Like, send the same headshot for 6 months without updating it. And when I say headshots, don't even have proper headshots. Like, use screenshotted images that you once clicked when you went to the mall with your family, or a picture with your friends that you clicked many moons ago. So crop yourself and then share those pictures as part of your profile. Use the same monologue, same format of introduction in every requirement, whether it's an advertisement, whether it's for a feature film, whether it's for a series. Have the same introduction for everything, and then wonder why I don't get callbacks. I mean, I think I'm doing everything perfectly, then why don't they call me back? Also, when you're sharing your profile with casting people, share a lot of photos with them, not 4, 5. Share like 10, 15 photos with them so that you get blocked. And also share extremely filtered photos where you don't even look like yourself. This way you will make sure that you don't hear back from them. And that way, you will not become an actor. So that was episode number 8 of How to Not Become an Actor. If you have any questions, comments, queries, or anything, that you felt after watching this video. You can drop them in the comments below. I will get back to it as soon as I can. And take care until next time.